All right, so here we have another number that we're going to factor out. So we have 15t squared plus 17 minus 4 then. Now, first, we're going to apply out the rules that we have learned so far. So we have to find the numbers that multiply to 15. So we got to have for that one as 15 times 4. That's going to be about 15 times 4. That's going to be about negative 4. That's going to be about negative 60 then. Now, we're going to add that to the 7, whose number is going to be about, so plus 7, that's going to be about 7. So the numbers that we have for that one is 12 and and negative 5 then. Okay. So try to remember we have the numbers negative 5 and 12. So let's try to write it out then here. So that's going to be about 15t squared. Now we have that one as plus 12t and the 5t then. Okay. And we have the 4 then. Okay. So we can see how the numbers sound. Now moving on forward for that one here. This time is we going to solve next. So we have the 5t and 15t and the 12t in here. Okay. So let's try to regroup now then. Here we have for that one is 3t times 5t. That's going to be a plus. Okay, well let's try about here. That's going to be about a plus for that one. So plus. Okay, that's going to be 4. Okay, now next one we have is minus 1. Let's have 5t plus 4 there. Okay. Now, let's try to regroup further for that one then. So for the final answer that we have here is that we have the 3t minus 1, and the other one would be 5t plus 4 then. Okay, so this would be our answer for the factoring of the t then here, okay, for this one.